Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play on 3 fingers. First, understand that this method adds a third point of contact, usually your right index finger, to your mobile device screen. This allows your left thumb to focus on movement, your right thumb on aiming, and your right index finger on actions like firing or jumping. It's a powerful way to gain a competitive edge in many games. Now, let's set up your controls. Begin by placing your left thumb on the movement joystick. Next, assign your right index finger to a crucial button, such as the fire button, usually positioned in the top right corner of your screen. Your right thumb will then manage aiming and other essential actions. Adjust your in-game display to ensure all these buttons are comfortably accessible. To master 3-finger play, consistent practice is key. Begin with simple drills, focusing on the independent movement of each finger. Practice aiming and firing at stationary targets, then move to moving ones. Gradually increase the speed and complexity of your drills. Dedicate at least 15 minutes each day to these exercises. Patience and repetition will significantly enhance your coordination and reaction time. The benefits of 3-finger play are substantial. You will notice a dramatic improvement in your ability to multitask, performing actions like moving, aiming, and firing simultaneously with ease. This leads to quicker reaction times and much greater precision in intense situations. While it takes time to adapt, the competitive edge you gain is well worth the effort. Keep practicing, and you will see remarkable results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.